Hello everyone, you are welcome in Quick Recall in 60-second series. Today we will talk about cell cycles and cycles and CDKs. Okay, so we know that cell cycles, one cells divided into two cells, two phases, interphase and metaphase, M phase. Okay, you know about that. So the next thing is CDK. CDK means cyclin dependent kinases. So CDK is inactivated form, but जब साइक्लिन्स बाइंड होते हैं इनके साथ तो ये एक्टिव फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, so cyclin dependent kinases, that's why we call as a cyclin dependent kinase. These are the important points. CDKs are present in, you can read. And next thing is cyclin. Cyclin means what? Cyclins are regulated proteins which oscillates during the cell cycles, right? और ये अलग अलग सेल साइकिल फेज में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जैसे G1 फेज, S फेज, G2 फेज, M फेज, साइक्लिन D, E, A and B. ओके, CDK4/6 साइक्लिन D and present in G1 phase, then cyclin CDK2 cyclin E and present in the G1 phase, late G1 phase, G1 and S. Okay, CDK2 cyclin A, they present in the S phase and G2 phase. Then CDK1 cyclin A, G2 phase, present in G2 phase, CDK1 cyclin B and present in G2 and M phase, mainly M phase. Okay, so ये निमोनिक्स यहाँ पे याद रख सकते हैं. DEAB means dear exams aspirants believe, and also dear emotions always be positive. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे से याद रख सकते हैं आप. ठीक है, next is regulatory of CDK activity, right? So 3 steps: cyclin binding activation, and the next is phosphorylations, and then CDK inhibitors. Okay, so first thing is CDK bind with the cyclins, then cyclin activate, then phosphorylation. So V1, this inhibitor phosphorylation, so it's inhibit the CDK and cyclins. So and CDC 25 active, then CDK inhibitor. So CDK and CDK cyclins are block activity. Example की two families, INK4 families, CIP-KP families, then APC and NFS. So APC activated and securin destroyed. Okay, securin is destroyed, then sapphire activated, then cohesin cleaved. So sister chromatin separate, and cyclin B degraded. APC means anaphase complex checkpoints, quality control, right? So checkpoints ensures that DNA is intact and conditions are right. So G1 and S checkpoints, then G2 and M checkpoints, then spindle assembly checkpoints. They are the three checkpoints. They regulate the cell cycles. Okay, so important pathways, the RB retinoblastoma, E2F pathways, then growth factor, cyclin D, CDKs, and RB EF2 release the S phase. Okay, RB inhibit E2F phosphorylated, RB release E2F, then RB is a tumor suppressor gene, then E2F is a transcription factor. Okay, if the अगर ये block हो जाएगा तो ये इसको एक्टिव नहीं कर पाएगा. P53 and P21 पाथवेज, राइट? तो डीएनए डैमेज होगा, P53 एक्टिव होगा, देन उसके बाद P21 एक्टिव होगा, देन उसके बाद CDK इनहिबिटर्स होंगे, देन सेल साइकिल अरेस्ट, देन डीएनए रिपेयर. If that fails, P53 is apoptosis. Cell cycles and cancers. Okay, so cyclin D is overexpressed, then loss of growth control, and then CDK activation, then excessive proliferation. RB mutations and loss, then uncontrolled AS phase, then 3 mutations and no arrest, no repair, no apoptosis. Then E2F overexpression means cancer progressions. Okay, tumor suppressor gene 53 RB we have seen. नेक्स्ट की टेक होम पॉइंट्स. सो CDK प्रोवाइड द इंजन, यू कैन रीड टेलीग्राम और व्हाट्सएप में शेयर कर दूंगा, आप वहाँ जाकर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं इसे. ठीक है, सो G1 इज रेस्ट्रिक्शन पॉइंट, राइट? मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चेक पॉइंट्स है. देन MPF इज साइक्लिन B and CDK1. देन गार्जियन ऑफ जीनोम इज P53. RB function is inhibit E2F, then APCF triggers NFS, and then secondary degradation, activation of suppress, coercing cleavage, and sister protein suppresses. Then cyclins levels oscillate, CDK levels and constant. Okay, cyclin levels oscillate होते हैं, low and high, but CDK level constant होते हैं. They are very important. Thank you for watching this.